old grill. You got 4 screws on the top, even though mine's only got 3. And then you got these little tabs down here at the bottom, right there. You got 4 of them, and we're gonna change them out. Now the other grill I ordered didn't come with an emblem, so I'm gonna have to take my emblem off, which is just these screws right here, and then it'll come right out. I'm pretty sure it's the same size. If not, I'm gonna have to ride around with no emblem for a while because I'll have to order it. The only reason why I'm changing grills is because that was busted. That's what happens when you hit a bird. Plus on top of that, I got the O5 headlights. Might as well do the O5 grill that's been trimmed. And I ordered this on eBay for $159 plus tax. But I'm gonna take that emblem off, pop it on this one, I'll get you back on. Alright, so on this one where they cut that, they put a little tab on there. I should have recorded it before I popped it on there, but I didn't even think about it because I gotta order an emblem. I may swing by Ford and see if they have one. But they got them tabs right there. Put them in. Line your screws up. Should be set. Which I might have to adjust my bumper. So let's get it on there and see. Let's adjust it. I should have curved it more right there. Anyways, get it squared up and then I'll cut you back. Well, I adjusted the bumper, got it down lower than what it was. It still seems to be touching a little bit on both sides. Called Ford about an emblem. It says about $95. So I'm ordering that online. You can see I'm gonna have to adjust my headlight right there. It's got a gap. That one does too, but not as much as the other one. I don't know, I'll have to take it around with it one weekend. I'm not gonna spend too much time with it out here. I am gonna take it back off and paint these supports black. That way it'll be less noticeable. Sure does look better than the other one did though. Get the glare. See how much is sticking on the bumper right there. really care for that too much. It's probably gonna rub the chrome off of it. I don't know. Finesse with it a little bit. Yeah, it sucks that the emblem won't work. That grill's so shiny it looks like my hood ain't even closed. There it is. That's crazy.